What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be changing the glow plug module on my 2011 BMW X5. So it's cold out here, so let's get this thing right into the garage and get it taken apart. Well guys, for some reason I didn't have a recorded video of me taking off the air filter housing, but luckily there's no screws or anything. All you have to do is pull up on it and it'll pop out of there after disconnecting the intake pipe. So after that, all we have to do is lift up on this cover here and it'll just come right out of there. All right, so now that we got the cover off here, there's just those bolts. But before we do that, there's just this plug here. It's a little wiggly for some reason, but oh well. I'm not sure why. So just got to unplug it and then we can get the dipstick undone to get this thing out of here. One thing as well not to forget is this EGR clamp here. Pretty simple to take out. Alright, so I kind of suck at doing tight work, so I'm going to do this a bit different. I'm going to loosen off the manifold first, and then maybe loosen some clips and stuff after. I got this out, the EGR, I got the clamp off, and all the wires that I can get to I got. The ones that are a bit harder, I'm going to try loosening the bolts, moving things around, and see if I can get them undone that way. So yeah. One thing to make sure you don't forget is there's one bolt here, here, and then there's also one hiding back here that you got to make sure you get, or else the manifold will never come out of here. Which it is. So now I'm just going to slowly look around, see what's missing, what plugs I have left. I know for sure this one, but it looks like it might be broken or something. I can't really tell. So I got to figure that out. And then there's one plug back there that I still haven't gotten. And then that's it. So I have two plugs left. And then this thing's good to come out of here. Okay. I got them all out. I still can't get this EGR wire. Damn thing's giving me nothing but problems. I couldn't get my throttle body out either because of this stupid EGR. So all that's left is this one plug here. If I can get it out, that'll be it. Alright guys, this is the next morning. So last night I got the intake manifold off. I couldn't get this plug for the EGR, but it's not really in the way because the glow plug module is down right here. So I'm going to leave it before I break the plug. So I'm going to try and see what sizes I need for it, and then yeah, we'll get right on it. Okay, so I really don't want to take off this main coolant line, so I'm going to try and get around it. The one bolt's right here, and the other one's right here, so I think I can get away with it. The first thing I got to do, though, is get these wires out of the way. It's really hard to use a flashlight. There's no metal. It's all aluminum. So get that off of there. And that gives me quite a bit more room. So okay, so the glow plug module is basically out. I just gotta grab it. Yep, it's out of there. Can I get it out of here is the next question. Or do I have to take out this hose? Well guys, I don't know, I spent a little bit trying to get it, and then I watched like a bunch of videos, and they all do the same thing. They always say you have to take this hose off, So, let's see how much coolant we're gonna lose. I have some more concentrate, so I'm not too worried about it. I just didn't want to have to deal with that. Once this comes out of here, it's gonna be pretty easy to get out. I was just trying to do it without, so. Oh well, at least it's easier now. You guys probably couldn't see any of that, but I got that. Just need a little screwdriver to do it. Now I got lots of room. The one clip's right here. The other one's just hard to get to because it's on the other side. Oh, perfect. It's out. Okay. So here's the old one here, and here's the new one. It's not an OEM one, so oh well. Didn't want to spend the money on a OEM. Okay, it's in. First clip in. Second clip, or plug. It's way down in here. It fell down. Yeah, that's what I wanted to make sure of. I thought I had it, but it wasn't clipped in all the way. Last thing I want is to put this thing all back together and it doesn't work because that plug came undone. Okay, it's in. Now it's gonna get this junk out of the way without breaking any of it. Now it's going to clip on all the hoses again and vacuum lines and whatever else we got going on here. Good, good, good. 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 Alright, next let's get this grab the bolts, the tools, so I can do this as quick as I can. Go, 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 go. Should have got a drill for this. Okay, so it's ready to go on, but before I do that, there's a couple plugs that need to go. They need to get plugged in here, and okay, that's basically it. Only the dipstick, but we'll do that at the end. Next, let's get in all these bottom intake bolts here. Yeah, so let's just start with these bolts. Alrighty, let's get started with the first bolt. Alright, we're getting pretty close to done here. All I gotta do is whoops. Get this cover back on here. Let me just grab the screw for that. Pretty much done. Now we can put the air filter box thing on here. Here's the mass airflow sensor. One side, two side, got the front, and that's basically it. Now we just got to tighten up this here, which I ain't gonna bother showing you guys, and then hook up this charge pipe, which we'll do in 1 second. Let's get this charge pipe hooked up. I think that's what this is called anyway, I don't even know. Get it on there somewhat. We're done. Now we're done. Alright, here's the glow plug module code. I got a couple other ones, but this is just one of them. So now when we start it up, it should all go away. So we'll find out. Alright guys, the car started up just fine this morning. I didn't end up recording because I forgot. But I know it works because it was pretty cold out. So let's get into today's video. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like down below because it helps out the channel a lot. But other than that, that's going to end today's video. Even though it might not have been the most interesting, but I wanted to get a video out for you guys because I'm trying to do weekly uploads. I've been looking for a new car a lot lately, so hopefully I'll have a new one soon, and I'll have a video much more interesting for you guys about that. So be sure to subscribe to see when those videos come out. But other than that, guys, that's going to end today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.